So, given question is asked in GATE CSE 2004. Okay, so I have written this question in few lines. Okay, so what they have said is the following program is for transpose. Okay, transpose a matrix. So matrix size is given as 4 cross 4. Okay, so they have defined row 4 and column 4. Now it is elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up to 15. And because this is 4 cross 4, so one more element is 15, comma 16. Okay, and the following main function is given, and there are three variables I, j, t, and they have asked if what will happen if what we should write in place of x. Okay, so that this program should transpose the matrix. Okay, so let us see the concept, then we will come to the our option. Okay, so see here, because this is 4 cross 4 matrix given like this. Okay, so here if we try to keep this in 2D array. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 up to 16 elements are given. So what happens when we do transpose of a matrix? First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, like this. Okay, zeroth row becomes zeroth column. So what are the elements in zeroth row? 1 2 3 4. So that will be zeroth column after transpose. So what is that? 1 2 3 4. Okay, like this. 5 6 7 8, 5 6 7 8, 9 10 11 12, 9 10 11 12. Okay, 13 14 15 16, 13 14 15 and 16. So if you see clearly, what happens is the diagonal elements are at their original place. Okay, if you see clearly, 1 6 11 16, 1 6 11 16, so they are at their original position. What the change happened after the transpose is 2 came here, okay, and 5 came here. So if we see, what happens is swapping of row and column elements. Okay, so 2 goes here. What was the original position? 0 and 1. Okay, after transpose 1 and 0. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to swap the two elements. Okay, if we swap these two elements, those will be in position of after transpose matrix. Okay, and 3 and 9, 9 came here and 3 came here after transpose. So what we have to do is we have to go row wise and swap the elements. And one more thing, when we are going to swap the elements with ij to ji. Okay, if you see, 0 1 is swapped with 1 0, 0 2 is swapped with 2 0, 0 3 is swapped with 3 0. Okay, it means ij element is swapped with ji element. Okay, one more thing, when you are going to row wise, when you have already done 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you have covered these elements also. So when you are going in first row, you don't need to start from zeroth index. Okay, 1 and 0 element, you don't need to consider. You have to start 6 7 8 because you have already set this. Okay, so when you go in second row, you have already swept 9 and 10, so you have to start from here. Okay, when you are going to third row, you have already covered the elements, so you have to swap only this. So what will be the program? You have to start with uh, from zeroth row, first row, second row, third row, and column wise you have to start where from J loop will start. J loop will start first from for zeroth row from zero column, from for first row from first column, for second row from second column, and third row from third column. It means j will start from I. Okay, and we will swap ij to ij with ji. Okay, so what will be the correct option for this? Okay, so what they have given the program, they have given for I equal to 0, I is less than 4 plus plus I. So they have used to, they have a for loop for rows, and we have to write a for loop for columns. Okay, so what will be the correct option? We have started a for loop that is going from I to 4. Okay, so last column, because we have 4 columns, so it will go up to the fourth, up to 4. Okay, and we have taken a temporary variable, and we have stored a ij value in matrix ij element in temporary variable, then ji to m of ij, and then temporary variable to mji. This is actually the basic program of swapping. Okay, you all know very well. Okay, so we have done what? We have run a program. So first for loop for row, and we have swapped the mij element with mji element. Okay, so I think you are very clear with this. And now after that, after swapping the elements, we have transposed the matrix and printed the element. Okay, so here nothing to worry. So what will be the correct option? If we run the for loop for I to j, okay, for I equal to 0, we have run the first for loop for row, second for loop for column, and swapped ij element with ji element. Okay, so your correct option is option C. Okay, I hope you got the answer. This is a basic problem, and you may get more problems based on transpose matrix in lead code also. Okay, so this will be very helpful for you. Take care for it. Okay, thank you.